पालिका वेंचणुकीची आचारसंहिता लागपाच्या एका दिसा आदी मडगांव पालिका मंडळाची बसका जाली। ही बसका कित्याक घेतली काय म्हूण एक्टिव्हिस्टांचो प्रश्न। बसका बेकायदेशीर म्हूण एक्टिव्हिस्ट उलयतात। पालिका प्रशासनान ताची दखल घेवची म्हूण एक्टिव्हिस्ट मागतात। दुसरे वटेन पालिकेच्या कर्मचाऱ्यांक प्रमोशनां दिवपाचो निर्णय पालिका मंडळान घेतला।
Margao Municipal Council chairperson has forced the acting chief officer to issue a notice for holding us first of all an ordinary meeting and then he changes it to a special meeting. I fail to understand what is the urgency and who is he trying to fool by calling for a meeting just one day in advance.
Meeting should be stalled because it is definitely not within the previews of the municipal bylaws. To hold a general meeting, you must give 7 days notice, and to hold a special meeting, it should be at least minimum 3 days, or it should be in case of emergency. I fail to understand what emergency is there in this meeting today.
I fear that this meeting which is called is an illegal, as we have all returned to the DMA, to the State Election Commissioner, and also to the Director of Municipal Administrator. And I feel that they have to come because the Code of Conduct is already in process.
पालिकेच्या कांय कर्मचाऱ्यांक प्रमोशनां तशेंच पोन्न्या बस स्टँडा लागसार अपंगुळांक स्टॉल घालूंक दिवचो म्हूण मडगांव पालिका मंडळान बिरेस्तारान निर्णय घेतलो।
थोडे बिटे आहा तांकां लागून चाये स्टॉल घालपाक लागून तांकां परमिशन दिवपाक तुगे स्टॉल आमगे ओल्ड बस स्टँड ऑपोजीट पूण वन कंडिशन इट वील बी गिवन।
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस। इतल्यान खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता। पळयत रावात प्रुडंट। नमस्कार।